Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. Today I will answer a much asked question, which is how can I sell my SafeMoon? Yeah, maybe you've held onto your coins for a longer time now and you think it's time to sell. Quick disclaimer, at the moment I don't think it's a great time to sell because we are experiencing the dip and I don't want to sell my coins or my tokens. Actually, it's a token. SafeMoon is a token, not a coin. I don't want to sell them at a new low, yeah? So I don't think at the moment is a great time to sell, but I do want you to be prepared. So if you do decide to sell, that you have seen this video and that you know how it goes, so you can sell them also quickly if you have to. So it's not as straightforward as it may seem, but just follow through the video and you'll understand the steps. I'll explain to you what you have to do in order to sell your SafeMoon, and then you can cash it out in the end to euros or to US dollars. So right now I am on my Trustwallet and I will show you now how you can sell SafeMoon. Yeah, so I have everything blocked right now and I don't think at the moment is a great time to sell, but I will show you now how it works. So the first thing that we will do is we will hit the browser icon. If you don't have the browser icon yet because you are an iOS user and you've never used it before, then I made a video for you on how to activate this. It's the first link in the description box, so quickly go there because this is what you will need to sell your SafeMoon. Yeah, so you will need this browser field. It's already there for Android users, but it's not there for iOS users if you use it for the first time. So I made a video that walks you through how to do this. Then we need to find PancakeSwap. You can search it in here, PancakeSwap, or go to like Popular, also it will also be there. So just go to PancakeSwap. And the first thing that you will need to do there is you will need to connect your wallet. Now we are on PancakeSwap, and the first thing that you will need to do is you have to hit connect. And then you choose Trustwallet because we are on our Trustwallet, and you will see, okay, the wallet is connected right now. And now what you want to do is you will want to tap on here. So you see this is actually my girlfriend's phone. I'm filming with my own phone right now, but basically what you want to do is you want to search in SafeMoon. Unless you have it saved there already, then it will obviously be in the list, and then you hit SafeMoon. And okay, notice for trading SafeMoon. To trade SafeMoon, you must click on the settings and set your slippage tolerance to 12%. I explained this to you in the video on how to buy SafeMoon. And basically, if you want to sell everything, you're gonna hit max. Obviously for me on this wallet, I don't even have SafeMoon. And then you need to select the currency that you want to change it to. And yeah, if you just want to cash it out to US dollars or euros, for example, you want to select BNB. And again, you want to set like max, and it's gonna show you entire balance here because we connected our Trust wallet to PancakeSwap. And then it will say confirm swap. And then you're gonna hit on this field here that will then pop up, and you will then swap SafeMoon to BNB. First of all, there might come a pop-up for the transaction fee, and it will say like max, maybe, I don't know, €1 or something, like $1 or $2. This is not the amount that you will get in the end for BNB. A lot of people mistake this for this, but this is not the case. This is just then for the transaction fee, so you're not actually losing money with this. And then you want to hit confirm, and then you hit swap, and then you will have your BNB. And then after some minutes, your BNB will be on your Trust wallet, and it will just be credited as BNB here. And then what you want to do, you want to do a normal crypto transaction, you want to hit send, and then go to your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, just quickly sign up for Binance. It's obviously completely free to sign up for Binance. Please use the link in the description as well. If you do sign up, it has a little referral code and it would really help out this channel. And get your receiving address from Binance. Yeah, if you don't know how a normal crypto transaction works, lucky for you, I made a video about this. So also the link for this is in the description. And then you basically paste in your Binance BNB address that you get from Binance. And again, you hit max, and then we send all of our BNB to Binance. And now I'm gonna go to my laptop and walk you through the rest of this video. What we did so far is we swapped our SafeMoon via PancakeSwap in the browser field. So we go to our browser, we search in PancakeSwap, then we put in SafeMoon and we hit max, and then we convert it all to BNB, and then our BNB will be credited to our Trustwallet, and then we send the BNB to Binance, and from there on we'll cash it out. And I'll show you now how this goes. Click deposit here on Binance, then you'll get your address for the BNB, and then on your Trustwallet you click send. Then you paste in the address and you select however much you want to send to your Binance address. Yeah, it's just like a normal crypto transfer. But once you have your BNB or indeed any crypto here, you want to sell it. First of all, we need to go to our fiat and spot wallet, and then we need to scroll down to the coin that we want to sell. So in this case, BNB. You can see my balance right now is 0, but trust me, I've done this numerous times in the past, and we want to hit trade. And then we select the fiat currency that we want to cash out. In my case, this will be euros, but you can also select other currencies like, I don't know, Australian dollars and even other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But for me, I want to trade it to euros. I just want to cash out my crypto. I'm done with crypto. No, of course I'm not, just kidding. I'm just showing you how this works right now. So we will be redirected to this interface here, which takes a while to load. It looks like such a complicated mess if you're doing it for the first time. You will see the little candlesticks here for the traders of you, and you'll see all the courses, all the trades, all the ins and outs. This is obviously way too complex for us, so we scroll down here to the page and we want to hit where we see market, yeah, not limit but market, because this will enable us to sell our BNB or any cryptocurrency, whatever we select. We can sell it at the real-time market price, yeah? So here we need to put in however much BNB we want to sell. If your balance is not 0, like mine is right now, it will say an option somewhere where you can select max. So let's say you have a total of 2 BNB that you want to sell. Obviously, I'm getting the warning right now that my max amount is 0.000, but there will be an option, as I said, to just hit max, and then you can sell everything. And please make sure that market is selected, because this, as I said, enables us to sell it at the market price. If we are more patient, we can enable something like stop limit and blah blah blah, but this is quite complex, at least in the beginning. Yeah, we just want to get rid of it for the actual market price. And then once we verified all the information here, all we do is we hit sell BNB. And literally, this is the only thing that you need to do, yeah? You don't need to hit anything else. It will, in an instant, sell your BNB, and you'll get the fiat currency that you selected. In my case, it's euros. You will get it credited to your Binance account. So literally, you just have to hit it once, and there's no more verification or anything. You just sold the cryptocurrency that you put in, and you'll get credited the amount of euros or US dollars or whatever that you can then access back in your wallet under fiat and spot. So then when you go to your wallet again, maybe it takes like 2-3 minutes or whatever. But for me, the last time I did it, it was really, really quick. It was really a thing of like 30 seconds. And then you will find the amount of euros here in your wallet under fiat and spot, and then you can click withdraw if you want to cash it out then to your bank account, because now we got rid of our crypto, we sold it for the market price, and now you want to click withdraw. You want to hit fiat because we actually want to withdraw to our bank account, and here we can select the currency that we want to withdraw. And obviously you can select all the fiat currencies here. For me it would be euros again. And then you can select the bank transfer or the bank card with Visa, and then you have some other local options as well. These will probably depend on the country where you have your bank account registered. And here you just select however much you want to withdraw. Again, it will say max if you actually have fiat currency there. And then you just hit continue, you put in your bank details, and this is how you can create a bank transfer from your Binance account that will cash out the money that you just sold with your cryptocurrencies from Binance, and it will transfer it to your bank account. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you did, smash the like button and leave a subscription to the channel. I post daily videos here, mainly about crypto, sometimes about travel. Like currently you can see the room is a mess. I'm currently in Playa del Carmen in Mexico. I'm living the digital nomad life at the moment, and I'm trying to film videos from wherever I go basically. If you have any more questions like these, like for this video, this was inspired by a lot of you guys asking me how do I sell ElonGate or how do I sell SafeMoon. So if you do have these questions, don't hesitate, just message me on Instagram at LXCAP. I'm not really big on Instagram yet, so I will certainly see the message requests. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.